Good morning, friends. I am Dr. A. Kulkarni, Head Department of Commerce, Gopalakrishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. I am going to teach Human Resource Management. In earlier lectures, we have seen the concept of Human Resource Management, the benefits, the scope of Human Resource Management, and its functions. In this lecture, we will see the first aspect of human resource management, that is human resource planning, HRP. Human resource planning is understood as the process of forecasting an organization's future demand, choosing the right people, right type of people at right number. It's only after this that the HRM department can initiate the recruitment and selection process. Firstly, we have to see how many people we want, and then after, with this number of people, we will start the next function, that is recruitment and selection of employees, that is human resources. HRP is a subsystem of total organizational planning. Organizational planning includes managerial activities that set the company's objectives for future and determines the appropriate means for achieving those objectives. In simple words, HRP is understood as the process of forecasting an organization's future demand and supply the right type of people in the right number. After this only, the HRM department can initiate the recruitment and selection process. It is called manpower planning, personal planning, or employment planning. This process includes the estimation of how many qualified people are necessary to carry out the assigned activities, how many people will be available, and what type of people should be selected. It must be done to ensure that personal supply equals to personal demand at appropriate point of the future. We are discussing this concept regarding the IT industry particularly because you are learning in BCA and the syllabus is properly prepared for IT industry only. So we will see the needs of IT industry, human resource planning of IT industry, how it is done. Basically, it is the process by which an organization ensures that it has the right number and right kind of people at right place at right time, capable of effectively and efficiently completing those tasks that will help the organization achieving all objectives, overall objectives. HR planning, human resource planning, is most important aspect in human resource management because if you don't plan, it becomes difficult to select the people, to assign the work, etc. Therefore, you should be it is important that selecting proper people, the needs, how many people are needed, what type of people are needed, what is the work to be assigned, etc., etc., all these things. So we will see the importance of human resource planning. First aspect is future personal needs. We must analyze the needs of organization, surplus or deficiency in staff strength, results of anomaly of surplus labor with the lack of top executives, because there is a attrition, particularly attrition rate in IT industry is more than other industries also. To prevent the attrition, it becomes necessary to analyze the future work, the present work, future work, as well as what type of people need. Second thing, coping with the change. It enables an enterprise to cope with changes in competitive forces markets, technology, product, and government regulations. There are a lot of changes happening every year, every month, because this century, 21st century, is called as century of change. Due to IT industry, particularly computers and other information technology tools, the change, the changes are very rapid. Therefore, we have to change. We have to cope with the change. Whatever change is happening, we have to do. We have to change ourselves with the changing environment. That is necessary aspect. Third one is creating highly talented personnel. HR manager must see his her integrity to attract and retain qualified and skilled personals, because if you are giving much more salary to these people, you should select talented people, you should select proper people on proper posts. So creating highly talented personnel is most important aspect in human resource planning as well as human resource management. And fourth important aspect is protection of weaker section. The weaker section of the society should be given proper place in the industry, in this organization also. So you should not neglect the weaker section of the society while selecting proper personals. Another aspect is international strategies. International expansion strategies depend upon the human resource planning. The department's ability to fill key jobs with foreign nationals as well as local people and reassign the employees within or across national borders. Because today's organizations are not country based organizations or not related to one country, they are multinational, transnational companies as well as international companies. Therefore, proper planning is necessary to see, and seeing at international level using international strategy is most important aspect. With effective HRP and subsequent attention to employees' requirement, selection, placement, development, career planning, etc., the growing competition for foreign executives may lead to expensive and strategically disruptive turnover among the key decision makers. Therefore, it becomes necessary while planning the human resources, seeing at international level, seeing with international resources, and filling these uh, another aspect is it's a foundation. Human resource planning is a foundation for personal functions. HRP provides essential information for designing and implementing personal functions such as recruitment, selection, personal movement, that is transfer, promotion, layoffs, training and development, etc. It is the foundation of these all these functions, because if you want to build proper personal management system or human resource management system, you have to create firstly plan yourself. That is the foundation for personal functions. Next one, increasing investment in human resources. It is human resource became the capital in modern organizations, because physical assets are not more important. You can start in business with human resources only or human capital only. The modern, if you see the modern IT organizations, information technology organizations, or organization dependent upon the computers, etc. The human capital is most important aspect. Human capital is basic capital. Other capitals are not necessary at all. Building is not necessary. Machinery is not necessary. Only one computer, one table, one chair, and personal behind that, or a personal sitting before that computer. That is most important aspect. So you have to invest in human resources. Human resources, an employee who generally gradually develops his or her skills and abilities becomes a more valuable resource because an organization makes investment in personnel either through direct training or job assignments. It is important that employees are used effectively throughout their careers. The rupee value is of a trained, flexible, motivated, and productive workforce is difficult to determine. Although attempts are being made to do so, in HR accounting, an increasing number of executives are acknowledging that the quality of work can be responsible for significant differences. Next one is resistance to change and move. And last benefit is other benefits, that upper management has better view of the HR dimensions of business decisions. More time is provided to locate talent. Better opportunity exists to include women and minority groups in future growth, and better planning for assignments to develop managers can be done. With this importance of human resource planning, we will see the other aspects in next lecture. Thank you.